If you feel a bit overwhelmed this time of year, you're not alone. I mean, between all the decorating, shopping, and entertaining, there's a lot going on. And that's why we've created today's recipe just for you. It's an all-in-one chili bake that tastes amazing, and it'll be a real lifesaver in the weeks to come. What we do is saute some onion, garlic, and ground beef in a soup pot until no pink remains. Now we add a can of crushed tomatoes, some red kidney beans that we've drained, and a bunch of off-the-shelf spices. Now we'll give this a stir and let it simmer until all the flavors come together. Then into a baking dish it goes, and we top it with a box of cornbread muffin mix that we added some shredded cheddar cheese to make it extra special. Then into the oven it goes. When it's ready, boy, are you ever in for a treat. You see, the bottom layer is one of the best homemade chilies I've ever tasted, and the cheesy cornbread really takes it over the top. To get the recipe for our cheesy cornbread and chili bake, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cheesy chili way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Good?
Cheesy.
Corny.